McKenna Smith is relying on the federal government to help save her life.
This is really just a last resort.
The 13-year-old has a rare tumor disorder and moved to this nonprofit housing on Monday to be in a clinical trial at the National Institutes of Health. That night, the government shut down amid partisan gridlock, jeopardizing potentially life-saving science.
I knew that if the government shuts down, I might not get my medicine.
But the NIH told McKenna's father that trials already underway, like hers, can proceed. But nearly all others there stopped cold, along with much scientific research at other government agencies. Tracking the flu at the CDC, food safety at the FDA, air and water quality at the EPA. Only 3% of NASA workers are still on the job, and the chill is spreading.
They're putting down their equipment, they're shutting off their Bunsen burners. The government shutdown will affect ultimately the entire scientific establishment.
A science advocacy group says the feds dole out some $75 billion a year in grants. Many universities and other research facilities depend on them.
It's government funding or no funding.
But there's still no end in sight to the shutdown.
There are kids and patients out there that can't come in now, and they don't know and can't get a hold of their doctors and don't know what's going to happen.
The NIH must turn away 200 trial patients each week the government's closed. Cindy Sharp, Associated Press.